Can an LLC have a board of directors? Yes, an LLC can have a board of directors, but it is not required. Unlike corporations, which must have a board by law, LLCs are more flexible and allow members to decide how to manage the business. If the members want to establish a board for oversight and decision making, they can include it in the operating agreement. Having a board of directors can be useful if the LLC has multiple members, outside investors, or wants a more formal governance structure. The board's roles, responsibilities, and voting powers should be clearly defined in the operating agreement to avoid conflicts. Even if an LLC sets up a board, the company is still legally an LLC, not a corporation. The board structure is optional and used mainly for organization, professionalism, and accountability. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and provide operating agreement templates that include board of directors provisions if you want that structure. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.